We're gonna try this today. I just had some of that Dubai chocolate. Has a lot of pistachios. This right here, that is the norm. We got ourselves some burrito, chicken burrito. Welcome back, Broadwalkers. Welcome back after a long time, long time. Just hanging out today. Beautiful Saturday. We were gonna go to the beach, but we changed our minds because we're gonna be heading up to Orlando next week for Memorial Day weekend. And your girl Kay is here. Hey. So yeah, she's driving. So I'm taking the DJI with me, walk around, do a little shopping. We're trying to, so we got some good news. I didn't want to say anything, but we got a place in Orlando and Davenport, so we can spend more time up there, visit the theme parks more often, create more content. There's a lot of plans behind that, and we're excited. I did not want to leave that new home. It's an amazing, beautiful place, but we don't like to post our wins or our losses. There's a lot of envious people out there, but we're excited. Anyway, so we're just gonna go out, do some shopping, Home Depot, buy some stuff for the new home, touch it up a little bit and keep you guys posted. We'll do a food review later. Let's see where we end up. Let's go. Thank you for subscribing. Please like, comment, and share. And again, if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. Just forget about us. Subscribe, forget about us. I got some new merch coming, 3 new t-shirts, 3 new logos. And we'll keep you posted. Please share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace. All right, so before we head out shopping and doing our thing for the new home, like we told you guys, we're gonna go, to Philomena's, get some coffee. I think we did this a year ago, maybe 3 years ago, right? A long time ago. So there's a place called Philomena's Bean Coffee. We're gonna try that out and see how it goes. It's on that side over there. Philomena's Bean Coffee. It was good. It was maybe like 4 years ago. So we're gonna try this today. Let's go. Hey, look at Kate. Let's go. It's been a while since we've been here. It's probably like a year ago. No, like 3 years maybe. This is a nice vibe. They have their own coffee beans. What? Yo, espresso. It's a nice vibe. Okay, hey. So we're gonna try the mocha?
Mocha latte.
2 mocha lattes. So usually I say 2 pumps of mocha, but at Starbucks, they overdo it and it's too sweet. She said they do 2 here, 2 pumps here. So I did it. Let's see. Maybe it's not that sweet. And you can choose the milk for 60 cents more. She got the macadamia, and then I got the oat milk. Let's go. Look at this. Yeah. Christmas ornament. Yeah. We got French toast. Last time they didn't have none of this. It's been a while. The Funko. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, that's just fake. Yeah. I won't be going back. Nah. All right, guys. So at least we tried. It's okay. It's not the greatest thing ever. So I might have just used 1 pump of mocha. That's it. Next time if I come back. It's okay. I mean, it's okay. I'd rather go there than Starbucks, so let's go. Hey, don't you hate when you pay for something you've been dying to drink or eat? You pay good money and it's not what you thought, what you hoped for. Man. And this coffee is not all that. The more I drink it, the more I hate it.
It's too sugar.
That chocolate they use, I don't know if it's 2 pumps. 2 pumps is nothing. It shouldn't be that sweet, but it's too sweet. Ugh, I don't know. I was just thinking that the more I drink it, the more I hate it. But yeah.
We hate it because we don't put sugar.
Yeah, we weren't expecting that though. Don't you guys hate that? You pay good money for something and then you just get disappointed. That's the good word for it. Very disappointed. Most likely I won't go back. No, it's not expensive. Like what, $6 for coffee, $5? I mean, it's a lot for some people.
It's a lot for the coffee.
Especially nowadays. But
So they're expecting something good.
Yeah. Disappointed.
At least decent.
Yeah, it's not even halfway decent. Let's go. Home Depot time, baby. Home Depot time. Let's go. Yeah, we gotta get that spike. Pull that tree back, right? I want to get that metal spike. Pull the spike. Where? Spiky, spiky. What? Water conservation. It's a rainwater tank. Wow, that thing is huge. Pause. Yeah.
A ello ponerle.
I'm looking for the spike. Spiky, spiky. Let's see. This is for pools. Let's see. Those shovels and picks, barbecue grills. Hey, man, it is hot out here today. Oh, yeah. 1, 2. Nope, dead end. We finally found it. There we go. This is what we need. This is to pull one of our little trees in front of the house back. You know? Let's go. Now let's get the caulking, the caulk. All right. We're done here at Home Depot. Home Depot, baby. So yeah, we're excited for this new adventure. It's our first home together. We have a home now, but it's really hers. And then we just got our second home together in Orlando. So we're gonna spend more time up there, theme parks and vlogging, etc. You're gonna see more of me. I need to post more often. It's challenging right now because of my job, but I'm working some stuff out where it's gonna allow me to be more flexible and vlog more so that I can grow the channel. And yeah, my goal for the end of this year is 100,000, you know? And yeah, today's a beautiful day. Look at the sky, beautiful puffy clouds. Look at that. I'm using my DJI today. I was gonna use my Sony camera, but it's a big boy, so I don't wanna drag that around too much. And but it's okay. It's a nice day. I haven't been vlogging too much because, like I said, I have the second channel, which is challenging as well, Jay's Anomaly Files. It's a reaction channel where I react to the UFOs, UAP phenomena, paranormal, scary videos, mysteries of the world, etc. But I'm gonna focus more on Broadwalk Adventures because that's the main baby, you know? Let's go on to the next stop. So now, next stop, Target. We're here at Target, close to a big mall over here. But check this out, oof. This is the norm. This right here, that is the norm. You see Lamborghinis, Ferraris, but Lamborghinis is very popular over here. You see Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces, Maybachs, Bentleys. You see that a lot down here in Florida. A lot of exotic cars. You see McLarens, but yeah, you see once in a while you see Ferraris. That's one of my favorites, Ferraris. But not as much as the Lambo. Let's go. What is that? Oh, Lucid has a. Have you guys ever heard of Lucid? They have an SUV now. Those cars are cool. You can actually, if you never heard of Lucid, look it up. Lucid. It's an electric car, and you can charge your car, the Lucid car, and then charge with your car. You can charge another electric car with it. It's really cool. Anyway, let's go to Target. We're at Target. Target. How many of you guys love Target? I used to work for Target a long time ago. It was one of my favorite jobs, but they didn't pay well. The pay wasn't all that, but it was one of my favorite jobs. And yeah, they called me the mayor of electronics. Yep, but it changed a lot. A lot of my friends left. I left right after, but it changed a lot. I remember the DVD, CD section was immense, right next to electronics and with books and videos and all that. And now, nothing. Check this out. I'll show you. It doesn't even like exist anymore. See? This is the book section now. Like there's nothing anymore. They have some LPs, and there used to be aisles and aisles of books before, and DVDs and Blu-rays. Now there's nothing. This is it.
You want to look at books?
Yeah, you don't even see DVDs anymore. Crazy. The toy section remains the same, obviously. That's never gonna go away. Kids love toys. Where I work, the TVs used to be on the wall. See this one, they don't have it. They have it set up like Best Buy. But it changed a lot. Of course, you know, the times, everything changes. I don't know if it's for the better, but it used to look better. I remember the camera section. island. They call the cashier area the island, and the cameras used to be like in a long aisle here, display section. They might have like 2 cameras. That's it. Yeah, they don't have a lot anymore. I miss that. Let's go. You see, they have 3 cameras. That's it, and they're Canon. When I worked at Target, they had a huge selection, different sizes for everyone. But now, that's it. So crazy. Let's go get Kayla. All right, that'll do it for the amazing Target. Oh yeah. Now for the next stop. So today is just a weekend adventure, just walking around. We wanted to go to the beach. Then I changed my mind and said, let's go to Las Olas Boulevard. Then I changed my mind. Then I said, let's go to Hollywood Beach. Then I changed my mind. Hollywood Beach, I have to go back because of the historic hotel. They were redoing that hotel, reconstructing it, renovating it. And they had moved everyone out of there from the last time I went. That was maybe a year, 2 years ago. So I wanted to follow up, which I will. And then I changed my mind and I wanted to go to South Beach. And then I changed my mind again. So I don't know. We're just gonna hang out. I have a video to edit and release it this evening well, not release it, finish it this evening for tomorrow. And then this video, maybe Tuesday or Thursday, maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to vlog more often, but it's been challenging because of my work. And I get home, I am done. I'm burnt out. I am cooked. I have no energy. I'll sit down on the sofa with my laptop. I don't even go to the desk. I'll go to the living room, sit down with my laptop, and fall asleep right next to Kayla, and she's laughing at me. So I'm working on some things where I'll be more flexible, and I'll be releasing more videos and growing my channel the way it's supposed to grow, because it is not enough. I started a second channel. I hope you guys are subscribing, sharing. It's a paranormal phenomena channel where I react to some scary videos, mysteries, etc. But that one I'm gonna lay off for a little bit and focus more on Broadwalk adventures. Let's go, next stop. On to the next stop. Lowe's, baby, Lowe's. Yeah, that's next, a grill with a smoker. So the next thing is gonna be the grill. The grill, like a tiki setup in the backyard for the new home. Some lights. I have some LED lights to go along the fence. So when it gets dark, it starts lighting up real nice. Let's go. Yeah. Yep. Nice. Gotta be smaller though. Yeah, something like this we're gonna put in front of the home, close to the entrance. Yeah, that's cool. So we didn't get anything at Lowe's. On to the next stop, baby. Nothing at Lowe's, but we're just getting some ideas for the patio and also the backyard. We're gonna make it look real nice. Take you along with us and do some barbecues, you know? Let's go. All right, so on our way to IKEA, right as soon as we left Lowe's, we saw that they finally opened this Aldi's. It's a huge Aldi's. We go to an Aldi's every week, but it's a small shop. It's a small supermarket. But this is the big boy. Look at this. This used to be a Winn-Dixie. Let's check it out. They just actually opened this. This is way bigger. Way bigger. Nice. This one is way bigger. Oh yeah. What is that? The Dubai? Yeah. Get 2. We've been looking for these. Yeah. Dubai. Yeah, this one is way bigger. You see the rugs, how clean it are. The floors, I mean. I'm working on these, so it feels like a rug. I'm working on a cloud or something. Anyway, the floors are nice and clean. Yeah, guys, got my water. I either get the sparkling water or the seltzer water. It tastes the same to me. We're gonna go eat. I don't know where, but we're gonna go eat. Maybe Fresh Kitchen, which is amazing. It's healthy. And then, or like a burrito style or something. Oh yeah, these are good. Oh yeah, on to our next stop. Chipotle, baby. I'm gonna get a burrito. What are you gonna get? You getting a bowl? All right. I'm gonna get a burrito with some oof. Oh yeah, with some oof. I wish they had flautas. So this is our next stop. After this, we're heading to IKEA, baby. Let's go. Hang on. All right, guys. So we got ourselves some burrito, chicken burrito, and Kayla got a bowl. I haven't been to Chipotle in a long time, but I don't know. They've been getting a bad rap recently, you know. So let's go. When you guys go to Chipotle, have you tried of this? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Izzy or Is. This the sparkling blackberry. How's your food, mommy?
It's good.
Yeah, it's Chipotle.
Yeah, it's exactly.
On to the next stop after this. We have an IKEA right next door, so we need to get something to eat. Let's go. All right, guys, so the Chipotle has been devoured, destroyed. Man, I was so hungry, I started to get the shakes, and I'm not even diabetic. We fast a lot, so sometimes we overdo it, which is not good. But now we're gonna go to IKEA, which is behind the Chipotle back there. If you can see that there, the yellow. Oh man, I just had some of that Dubai chocolate. Wow. I see what all the hype is about. It's pistachio, chocolate covered pistachios. That's what that is. Man, they're good, right? Has a lot of pistachios. All right, let's go to IKEA. So this is what I want to do, what we want to do for the patio. That actually looks cool. Because right now, currently it has that AstroTurf looking thing in the patio area, which is hideous. But we're going to leave it until I change it. I'm going to swap it out for something like that. This looks better. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, that looks way better.
Yo creo que todos son plásticos.
One box. No. One box is no. Only the under part. One box is 9 square feet.
So this.
Yeah.
I'm guessing this. Okay.
Ooh, I like those mirrors. What do you guys think about these big mirrors? Like leaning against the wall, like in an angle. Those are cool. Not in a gold though, but these like that. 169. Yeah. It's like 7 feet. 7 feet. See, like that. Just put them in an angle for 170. Not bad. All right, guys, that'll do it for today. We went to IKEA, the last stop. Got some ideas for our patio and our yard. So, catch you on the next vlog. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys. To the next one. Peace.